Welcome back, everybody. It's time to finish Unit 12. All right, this is Lesson 3, pages 336 to 343 in your Grammar Explorer 2 textbook. So remember, what are we talking about in this unit? Modals, modal verbs. We've looked at can, could, might, may not, might not, was, were, able to, be able to. And we looked at these for ability and possibility, logical conclusions. Now we're going to look at permission. So giving permission using may, could, and can. And requests using would, could, can, and will. So permission and requests. First, permission. Use may, could, or can, and the base form of the verb to ask for permission. For example, may I sit here? Could he borrow your bike? Can I call you later? So in all three of these examples, I am asking for permission to do something. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay if I sit here? Is it okay if he borrows your bike? Is it okay if I call you later? Okay. I want your or somebody else's permission. Can is less formal or polite than may or could. Okay, so may is the most formal. So can is less formal for friends than could, and may is very formal. So, for example, hey, Jim, can I borrow your car tomorrow? All right, Jim is my friend, so I use can. Doctor, may I call you at home? Okay, so doctor, he's not my friend, so I want to show more respect, so I use may. Use may not or cannot or can to express what is or is not permitted, or what is or is not allowed, or what is or is not okay. You may turn in your work late. Okay, so this is permission for you to turn in your work late, meaning it's okay if you turn in your work late. You cannot use your phone during exams. So here you do not have permission. Okay, it's not okay to use your phone during exams. So be careful here. When you use could to ask for permission, it does not refer to the past. So yes, we use could to talk about the past, right? When I was young, I could sing very well, but we can also use could for permission, and it doesn't mean past. So could I use your car tomorrow? I'm not talking about the past. I'm using could to be polite. Now, if you want to answer a question with can, could, or may, use can or may for the short answer. Do not use could. Can is the most common, may is more formal. So, question: could my children stay at your house? Answer: sure they can. Okay, this is common, this is not formal. Maybe go to the library, Mr. D, you ask me. Yes, you may. Okay, so I'm giving you permission in a polite or formal way. Okay, that was permission. Now requests. Use would, could, can, or will to ask someone to do something for you. For example, would you help me with this? Could you wash the dishes? Can you come to my house tomorrow? Okay, so I'm requesting something. Okay, in the first one, I want you to help me. In the second one, I want you to wash the dishes. In the third one, I want you to come to my house. Okay, I'm requesting that you do something. Will you go to the store for me? Same. I want you to go to the store for me. In short answers, use can or will, and do not use could or would. So, question: could you help me with this? Yes, I can. Not yes, I could. Yes, I can. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to answer no, be careful, because An answer with no often sounds rude. So instead, we use phrases such as I'm sorry or I'm afraid to make them more polite. So here's a question. Here's a request. Can you help me with this, Tim? So if I can't, I can say no. No, I can't. But this is rude. Okay. So instead, we say things like, I'm sorry, I can't at the moment. Or I'm afraid I'm busy right now. Okay. So we avoid saying no directly. We want to be more polite. And just so you know, would and could are more polite than will and can. So, could you tell me my grade, Mr. D? Polite, formal, because you're talking to your teacher. Can you text me the homework, Sarah? So, Sarah is your friend, so we use can. It's less formal. All right, that's the end of the lesson. Please do your classwork now and turn it in on Canvas. Thank you all.